Are you looking for a distinctive electrified compact crossover? Kia may have what you want in the next Sportage Hybrid. Let's take a deep dive and see what makes this SUV stand out. The 2023 Sportage Hybrid is the first electrified variant of Kia's longest-running nameplate. It's set to do battle against the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, the Honda CR-V Hybrid, and its cousin, the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. You're not going to find many cues to the Sportage Hybrid's electrified nature. All you get is a single HEV badge on the tailgate. Otherwise, it looks just like its internal combustion sibling. You get the new Kia corporate look with headlights integrated with the grille and angular daytime running lights. The rear gets the same thin LED taillights, and the hockey stick-like trim is also present on the D-pillar. Versus the outgoing car, the new Sportage is 7.1 inches longer thanks to a longer wheelbase. The Sportage Hybrid's interior takes a lot of influence from the EV6. You can get these two 12.3-inch displays on the dash, and it has a rotary shifter just like the EV6. The Sportage Hybrid's larger size becomes most apparent once you get inside the cabin. There's a lot of room in the front and rear seats and in the cargo area. Upon first impressions, the seats in the front are very nice and supportive. There's really soft cushions and they hold you well in place as well. However, if you're looking for leather, you can't get it because the Sportage Hybrid is only going to be available in cloth or vegan leather. On the tech front, you'll be able to get Kia's usual suite of driver assistance and collision avoidance features. That includes highway driving assist, which is a semi-autonomous system. In addition, the front collision prevention system has been upgraded so it now works at intersections and junctions. The Sportage Hybrid shares the same hybrid system as the Sorento Hybrid. That means a 1.6-liter turbo 4 coupled to an electric motor, a 1.49 kilowatt-hour battery, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The total output is estimated at 226 horsepower. Kia is aiming for a 39 mile/gallon combined EPA rating for the front-wheel drive model. However, only the base LX model is available in that configuration. The EX and SX Prestige are all-wheel drive only. Thanks to extensive use of ultra-high-strength steel, hot stamping, and lots of sound insulation, the Sportage Hybrid promises better road manners and a quieter cabin. The mechanical all-wheel drive system also sharpens the handling by using the electric motor for torque vectoring and improving power distribution. There's also a center lock function to maximize traction in low grip situations. The 2023 Sportage Hybrid goes on sale early next year. It'll be the 7th vehicle in Kia's electrified lineup alongside the Niro family, the Sorento Hybrid, Sorento Plug-in Hybrid, and the all-electric EV6. We have more coverage of the 2021 LA Auto Show, so subscribe and hit that notification bell. For more on the 2023 Kia Sportage Hybrid, visit evpulse.com.